Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Yay! So today we are doing my top 5 favorite viral TikTok nude lip combos. We're gonna try them out and we're gonna see how they look on my skin. I feel like most of these are brown skin friendly, and if you are light skin, I think you can also get away with these. Obviously try them for yourself. I am not light skin, I am a tan and Latina girl, but I am all for everybody trying whatever you love. So anyways, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's top 5 favorites or top 5 viral TikTok nude lip combos. Let's try them out. First lipstick we're gonna try on together is one that's the video that I saw wasn't the viral one, but this lip combo went viral. And even when I went into the MAC store, she's like, oh yeah, this lip combo went viral. So we're going to start off with MAC Chestnut lip liner, and we are taking Teddy 2.0 lipstick. Actually, I'm going to powder my lips a little, just like this. Just so I can really make my shape really nice. Since I don't have a defined Cupid's bow, I have to like work extra hard to make it. Make sure your lip pencil is nice and sharp, and this is pretty good. So now let's go in with MAC Teddy 2.0. I'm gonna give you guys a swatch of it alone so you can see what it looks like. Really pretty color. Look at that. I love the formula on these because they're very friendly to like wrinkly lips. I like to apply it just on the center, and then with that same brush I will diffuse it. And here is lipstick combo number 1. I love this one. It's very much giving 90s grunge vibes. It's really pretty. I love dark lip liners like this paired with a softer lip in the center. It just looks so pretty. It looks so juicy. It makes the lips look nice and big, and you just cannot go wrong with a lip liner like this. Lip combo number 2 is one of my favorite artists on TikTok. Let me see her name because I don't know her name by memory. So her name is Logan Nicole. I'm sure a lot of you have seen her if you follow like anything makeup. She's so talented and an amazing makeup artist. But she got me on this lip combo a while ago. So I'm going to start off with the Jaclyn Bold Brew lip liner. And let's start off by giving you a swatch. This is another like dark brown lip liner, so maybe you don't need so many. I do have to say that these are a lot creamier than MAC, so maybe buy this one and then just use it for the other lip combos that I will be mentioning because these are darker lip liners. So let's line the lips. Oh, we're going in with another MAC lipstick. This is MAC Honey Love. I'm sure if you guys Google like dupes for these, you're gonna find some. There has to be dupes out there. Like with the amount of makeup we have nowadays, it's impossible not to have a dupe for a lipstick. So let's go in with MAC Honey Love. This is a little more like a beige pink. But it's similar, as you can see. It looks different than the one that we just used. And again, I'm going in with my brush, making sure that I blend out my lines. And then we're going to finish it off with Madelaine lip gloss. She does use something different, but because I don't have that, I just went ahead and did my own little concoction. This is probably the most viral lip gloss from NYX. Again, the Butter Gloss and Madelaine. So I'm going to go ahead and take that and place it in the center. These are the best lip glosses you can get at the drugstore, honestly. Just something about the gloss in this lip combo that just elevates it to the next level. Now, if you watch me, you know that I'm more of a matte girl lippy. I very rarely will use glosses. I just prefer a matte lip. They just wear better and longer in my personal opinion. But this is a beautiful lip combo. If you're deeper skinned than me, this is going to look mwah, chef's kiss on you. So there we have it. What do you guys think? Lip combo number 3. So originally I used my MAC Cork lip liner. I don't know where I left it. I've looked for it all over my room and I cannot find it. So a good dupe for that is the Sweet Tea lip liner by Morphe. So we are going to line the lips and I'm going to give you guys a swatch. I really like this one. It's a really nice like mid-tone brown, not too dark, not too chocolatey like the other ones. This is a little bit less scary as the other one. So let's line the lips. And then we're going to go in with the new MAC Locked Kiss inks. This one has been my favorite for the past maybe 3 months. It is in the shade Teaser. It is such a beautiful like peachy nude and it just wears so nicely. It feels very comfortable on the lips and it doesn't dry them out. So cannot go wrong with that. And there you have it. It's really pretty. It's matte. It's super long wearing. I feel like this is a lip combo that you would wear every day. You can leave it as is or you can add gloss, and I'm going to show you how it looks with just a plain and simple gloss. Of course, you don't have to use this specific one, but this is the MAC lip gloss. Any brand more than likely has a clear lip gloss. So I'm going to take a little bit to the back of my hand. I just don't want to get the lip gloss itself dirty, but these are amazing because they make your lips look like literally glass because they're so shiny. And the best thing is that these are not going to add any color to your lipstick. They're just going to make it glossy. And there you have it. I love this combo. I discovered it a few months ago and ever since then I've been just obsessed with it and I wear it a lot. This is like one of my go-to lip combos when I'm wearing a look like this. So what do you think? Moving on to lipstick combo number 4. This is the Morphe Bite Me lip liner. And I'm actually going to sharpen this one. This one is actually going to be all affordable. And we're going to start off with the lip liner. So this one is similar to Sweet Tea, but slightly darker. They just have the same undertones. After that, we're going to go in with the NYX London Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is another viral lipstick. It's like everywhere, always on my For You page. It's just such a pretty color. And the formula on these, you cannot go wrong. They're velvety, they're soft, they're creamy, and they're comfortable. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of First Base also from Morphe, which is another one of my favorites. If you know, you know. It's a very, very pale honey nude. That's how I describe it. I don't know why. I'm going to take that to the center. This is one of those lip combos that is such a safe color that you can almost be sure that it'll look great with everything. Now, you can finish it with a lip gloss. The viral video that I've seen was with a lip gloss, so I'm going to use it as that. I'd probably stop here and just wear it as is, but this is the Pink Paloma e.l.f. Plumping lip gloss. It's really pretty, and it's just very sheer, and it adds a little bit of pink, not too much. And it looks so pretty. I know these kind of look similar, but I promise you they are different. Even if it's a little bit, but this is the lip combo. Last and final lip combo. This one as well. Okay, I'm going to stop saying this one went viral because obviously that is what today's video is about. So let's go in with the NYX Espresso lip liner. By the way, you can get these at like Ulta, CVS, I think even Walgreens carries their lip liners. We're going to go in with Huda Beauty Staycation. I'm so glad I had this one. I haven't used it in quite some time, to be honest. But this formula is probably one of the best like high-end formulas. They're so creamy and velvety. Going in with a brush and blending them together. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Sephora lip stain in number 32. So many lip lovers have this lipstick because it is that girl. Like, look at how pale she is. Okay. Just to the center. I like to only take it to the center. And then I blend it out. And then we're going to go with NYX Madelaine Gloss one last time and apply it to our lip combo. And there you have it. This one is a little bit more nude and pale. I feel like this one looks the best on like darker skin tones. I don't know. There's just something about this combo that looks so pretty on beautiful chocolate skin. So that is the last lip combo, you guys. These are my top 5 favorite viral TikTok nude lip combos. I've had these in my collection and then some of them are new. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Other than that, thank you so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I'll see you all in my next video.